Good evening, viewers, and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars and also the home of Rolls-Royce, because we have got some of the most unbelievable Rolls-Royces in Australia today. And we have another one that's just arrived, another world-class Rolls-Royce Ghost. First delivered in 2012, complete service history, still presents like new, a Rolls-Royce Ghost. Unbelievable. Look at this interior. Still like new. Complete history. Australian delivered, of course. Panoramic roof. Only at the home of beautiful cars. Another world-class Rolls-Royce Ghost. Under $250,000. Only at the home of beautiful cars. Australia-wide delivery. Finance arranged. Are you ready for it?